Air fryer hash browns, how to cook your favourite hash browns from frozen in your air fryer at home. Hello, my name is Samantha, and along with my husband Dominic, who is behind the camera and also my best friend when it comes to the air fryer, we are going to show you today all about air fryer frozen food. We started using the air fryer way back in 2011, and in our first ever experience of using the air fryer, we actually cooked frozen chicken strips. Since then, our air fryer knowledge has moved on, but back in 2018, we were asked by one of our readers to try air fryer frozen French fries. We did this, and then we started a brand new trend and showing people that you can cook delicious frozen food in the air fryer. But quite often, frozen food has this kind of taboo attitude towards it. But even though frozen processed foods isn't great for you, it can still save you a lot more calories compared to serving food in the deep fat fryer. So I'm looking forward to sharing with you our frozen food recipes. So hash browns always remind me of the breakfast buffet. Trips to the Premier Inn, when you're having the big full English breakfast, you can guarantee that there'll be some hash browns there somewhere to help you mop up the sauce from your baked beans. But if you love hash browns for breakfast, you can actually make a full English breakfast in the air fryer, and I'll add the link to that recipe in the description so you can check it out. Or like we're doing today, you can just cook hash browns just on their own in the air fryer, and they can be your potato to go with whatever you're eating for dinner. So the hash browns I'm using today is just your regular size bag from Iceland. So let's open it up and see what they're like. So the hash browns you get are a lovely shape, and they're ideal for just throwing in the air fryer to go with whatever you're eating. So let's throw some in, shall we? Note that there's quite a lot of breading from them, so you want to get rid of any of that if it's getting on your nerves, because it just takes away from the lovely taste of the hash browns. And with the hash browns, it's okay if they're overcrowded a bit. They don't need to just be on a flat layer in the bottom of the air fry basket. It'll still cook well, just like when you cook fries, you don't have to do just one layer of them. So as you can see, that's a decent sized portion to do in the air fryer. It's not all of the bag, we've left a little bit behind, but it's about 80% of a bag full. So it just depends on how many people you're feeding. I recommend that you start with an air fryer cook time of 8 minutes at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. So it's already set on my machine to 180 Celsius because that's what I had it on last time. So I just need to increase the time, and we're ready to go. And there's the beep. Let's see how far along they are. So what you're looking for the best hash browns in the air fryer is ones where you're starting to see a crispy coating appearing, like you're seeing on that one there. And they are actually perfect to cook and piping hot, but it depends how crispy you want them. If you want them crispier, I recommend that you add a quick spray of extra virgin olive oil and put them back in for a couple more minutes, and you will have that lovely crispiness. And of course, give the air fryer basket a shake before you put them back in. So now they're cooked, you can just load them onto your plate, and then they're ready for serving. If you're doing, say, a breakfast buffet for your family and friends, you can load them onto a big plate, and then everyone can help themselves to what they're having for breakfast. My mum used to always do a breakfast for everybody on Boxing Day morning, the day after Christmas. And there'd always be a food warmer on the go with everything in it, and lots of extras in there as well. In this video today, we have been using our Philips Air Fryer XL. Please comment below with which air fryer you use, as it would be nice to compare notes, and ask in the comments any questions you may have about this recipe that I'm sharing with you today. Because you are here, the chances are you want to learn even more about the air fryer and become more familiar with its capabilities. We recommend that you head over to recipethis.com and search mini course, and you will find a fantastic 5-day free mini course teaching you everything you need to know to get started with the air fryer. I'll also add it in the links in the description to make it even easier for you. And it's been a pleasure to share with you one of our favourite air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes, including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.